welcome back. What we're covering today is user-defined functions in C++ example 12. As you can see here on the left, our exercise is during the tax season. Every Friday, the J&J accounting firm provides assistance to people who prepare their own tax returns. Their charges are as follows. Okay, if a person has low income, less than or equal to $25,000, and the consulting time is less than or equal to 30 minutes, there are no charges. Otherwise, the service charges are 40% of the regular hourly rate for the time over 30 minutes. For others, the consulting time is less than or equal to 20 minutes. There are no service charges. Otherwise, service charges are 70% of the regular hourly rate for the time over 20 minutes. They say, for example, suppose that a person has low income, spent 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the hourly rate is $70. Then the billing amount is $70 times 40 times 0.4.0 times 45 divided by 60, and that gives you $21. So what are we doing here? We're going to write a program that prompts the user to enter the hourly rate, the total consulting time, and whether the person has low income. The program should output the billing amount. Your program must contain a function that takes as an input the hourly rate, the total consulting time, and a value indicating whether the person has low income. The function should return the billing amount, and your program may prompt the user to enter the consulting time in minutes. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to declare a billing amount function. So we create our prototype here. What are my parameters? I need an hourly rate, consulting time, a true or false for low income. So let's do our prototype. We're going to call this function billing amount. So we have an hourly rate, and that's a double. You can see this double down here, but we're going to return a double here. So we also have consulting time. We're going to call it cons time. And then for low income, we're going to call low inc. Okay. So these variables are declared right here, so that is very helpful in telling us what we need to declare. Then set low income. So now we're going to do our little formula here. We're going to figure out, is this person low income? So I'm going to put out here, if this yearly income is less than or equal to $25,000, then low income is true. If yearly income is less than or equal to $25,000, then low income is true. Otherwise, low income is false. So now it's telling us on line 37 to call the billing amount. So I'm going to see out the billing amount is. I'm going to get the information I need. I'll just put in an end line statement. Okay, so now I need to write my billing amount function. Now I need to call for my double amount due. So how I'm going to determine this is, first I'm going to check to see if my client is low income. So if low income, I'll put in my pair of curly braces here. If this is true, I want to check to see if consulting time is less than or equal to 30 minutes. If this is true, then they don't owe me anything. Otherwise, we put in our formula. Amount due is equal to hourly rate times 0.4, and then multiplied by the consulting time minus 30, because you get the first 30 minutes free. And we divide that by 60. So we'll close this out. What happens if they're not a low income? It's another else statement. Opening and closing curly braces. So now we're going to check to see if the consulting time was less than 20 minutes. These guys get the 20 minutes for free. So if the consulting time's less than 20 minutes, then they don't owe anything. Otherwise, then we're going to put in the other calculation here. We'll add our opening and closing curly braces. Now put in our calculation here. The amount due is equal to the hourly rate times 0.70, right? Times consulting time minus 20 minutes divided by 60. We didn't need those curly braces. So now what's this going to return? This is going to return the amount due. So after this closing curly brace here, I'm going to have them return the amount due. And now this is available to be used in the program. So let's run our program. Okay, I've got an error on line 48. You know what's wrong? I've written this twice, haven't I? So let me get rid of this. So now I run my code. Enter yearly income. Okay, let's put for $35,000. Hourly rate. We'll go 40. Enter consulting time minute. We'll do 29 minutes. The billing amount is $4.20. Okay, let's do a low income. Click run code again. Yearly income, let's go 19,000. Hourly rate, we'll go 60. Enter consulting time in minutes. Okay, let's go 99. Billing amount's $27.60. There you go. So what I had a problem with was that I had entered a code twice. I entered the double billing amount right down here under the first return 0. So make sure that you fix that if you've done that. All right, good job, everybody. See you in class.